Welcome to Emacs India. So, as you now are taking Google Meet, Zoom Meet classes, live classes for students, or you are using Smart Classes option for recorded video classes to provide learning to students. But now, how you can do from your login ID panel, your recorded classes day by day or chapter wise for your student. Let's talk about this. Firstly, you have to open your dashboard page here. In dashboard page, there is a new option available, digital classroom. Here you have to click on digital classroom first. When you click on digital classroom, you will receive a page where is three options are available. First one is video courses, second one is video courses category, and third one is view live courses videos. So firstly, we will open first option, which is video courses. Through this, you can see the video classes you added already. That list you will receive here. If you want to add your new video recorded classes, you have to click on add edit course. Then here you have to click and select the course name in which you want to add your video. So for this, if for demo, we are adding basic class video. So have to mention basic, then save. Click on save button. As you can see, there is option available now. There is zero videos here. Now you have to click on videos option. There will be option zero videos because you didn't add any video here. So now how you can add your videos here? For this you have to click on add edit video option. When you click on this option, there is course name available. Here you can select the course name as we are adding our videos in basic course. We will add basic here. Then video title. In video, which content core video it is. As per demo, we are mentioned here. Word. According to chapter wise also we can maintain, or also we can maintain according to day by day. So here we are maintaining according to chapter first. So there is word we mentioned. It's order 1. If you want to provide it order 3 now, you can mention here order 3 also. Here video URL you have to put. Firstly, you have to go on your YouTube channel where you available in your all videos are available. Here in video there is option of share. You have to click on share option. There is second option embed. You have to click on embed option and copy this link. You have to copy this link first and then you have to paste it. You have to copy from HTTP to second inverted comma. Then copy this option and paste here. After this, you have to click on save. When you click on save, as you can see, your first video is done. Now, the second option we are talking, video courses category. You have to click on this option. Also, you can, as you can see, basic course. And when you click on add edit video option, you have to click here and you can select the students to which you can provide these classes. You can select all students also. And if you want to select some minimum students, then you can select the course category student also. So now we are selecting for all. After this, you can click on save option. Now the video is available for all students now. The third option is view live course video. Through this, you can check your live course video also as it's basic course now. In basic course, first video is available now here. So let's try the second one. For the second one, you have to click on videos. Again, the same process will be followed. Course category you have to select. Video title is now Excel. We are providing this one in first order now. And video or URL. Again, the same process will be followed for this. Click on share. embed, copy the content from HTTP to second inverted comma, copy this one and paste. Then save. Your second video is saved now. Same for the third video. Suppose it's second order now. Video title is PowerPoint. Course name, tele basic course, and again video URL be from HTTP to second inverted comma and paste here. Then click on save. Now 3 videos are available in this course now. And if you want to provide these courses in day by day, so you have to click on edit option here. When you click on edit option, this page will be available. You can mention third order and it's day 3. Then click on save button. Now you can see it. This will be available according to day by day. So how your students also can see these videos. Let me show via open students panel. So for this will be students panel. There is the option available digital classroom. You have to click on digital classroom option. You can select the category basic. As you can see, there is available Excel, PowerPoint and day 3 classes. So just like that, today we learned how you can provide your own recorded classes to your students. Just like that, if you have any update related to your panel or feedback if you have, you can submit us. Your feedbacks helps Emacs India get better. Thank you.